Hello beautiful people, this is Abhijit from Mind and Techie and welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to cover this project which is called Streamer. So basically why I'm covering this project is only one reason is that because this project is already being listed on our Indian exchange which is called WazirX. As you can see, the WazirX tweets from few days, they are already tweeting so many things about the giveaways, about the streamer tradings and all. So you can see like streamer listing giveaway and all. So this is a very good opportunity for Indians like us, in which you guys can do the trading and all. So that is why I'm covering this project. And you can see they are doing so many Q&A with them and AMA also with the team streamer team data team. So basically by this is the only reason that I'm covering this project. So let's come to the streamer Twitter handle. So the streamer Twitter handle is this one, at the rate STREAMR, and you can see that what is this. So what is streamer is, so basically it's a open source infrastructure for real-time data, and you will own your data, you will publish your data, and you will trade your own data through the streamer service. And into this the tag includes a pub and sub P2P network and data marketplace and visualization of toolkit. So basically this is a project which are focused on the data of the users. Like you can just use the data of that person to transfer the data and all the stuffs. So basically this is the website of a streamer. You can see it's streamer.network. So when we just go to little bit down, you can just see that distribute unstoppable data streams over a global open source peer-to-peer network and help to build a new economy. So this is their main sole purpose, that why the streamer service is there and why use streamer. So they have already said that they have a data monetization into these things, and later on they have a plug and play data transport, and later on right now they are already on blockchain security built on Ethereum. And there are so many reasons about it, and they have already elaborated that what kind of streamer is using into these sections and all. So this is for the developers. So let's go to the streamer about section. So you can see the streamer about section is like streamer is a distributed open source software project with contributors in range of time zones from Philadelphia to Singapore and Melbourne. Sorry for this one. It's Helsinki and Wrocław. Cool. So basically, and this is the team of the streamer. So he is the Mr. Henry, and he's the founder and CEO of this streamer. And you can see after that he is the head of partnerships, Mr. Rob, and Matt, Steve, and so on. The team goes on. The Shiv Malik, he is the person who did the AMA in WazirX. As you can see this one, you can just check it out. So WazirX did today, they have already did a AMA about this section. They gave away $100 to top 10 questions. So this is a very good thing. So this is the person who did AMA, and you can just go to WazirX Twitter and its Telegram handle. You can just go to WazirX_discuss, and you will find the AMA there also, and a lot of very supportive communities there. So basically, and let's go to the streamer white paper. So basically the white paper is clearly showing its unstoppable data for unstoppable apps, which is called streamer data coin. So basically the streamer have their its own coin which is called data coin. And if we just go to little bit of downside into the this white paper, you can just see it's already elaborating the same stuff, like streamer delivers the unstoppable data to unstoppable application. It is a real-time data backbone, and it is decentralized network for scalable, low latency, untamperable data, in which you cannot tamper the data itself from anyone, and the persistence operated for data token. Anyone or anything can publish new data to data stream, and others subscribe to the stream to the dApps and smart contracts and all. So it is coming into the blockchain languages and all. And later on, right now, if we just see the streamer, what is the status of a streamer is going on. So right now they are at rank number, where it is cool, they are at rank number 215 in CoinGecko, and it is like streamer data coin. Their token coin icon is data, and right now they are worth 0.040. so basically let me calculate USD to INR. So right now they are worth 3 rupees per token, which is very tiny amount as compared to other tokens in cryptocurrencies. And you can just see that what kind of volume they have and all. So this is the 24-hour trading volume, and right now their circulating supply is not much high and not much low. And basically if you just go to this, that where they are already, so they are already on the exchanges like Binance, Hotbit, Uniswap, LaToken and Bitfinex and all. So right now let me just go to WazirX website and show you guys. Cool, let's go to WazirX and just check it out that where this. So basically you have to come to WazirX. If you don't have an account, I have provided a link in which it is official link, to be frank, and in which you can just go and sign up and create an account. And when you create an account, you have to go to this exchange. If you're using this desktop version, you have to go to exchange, and if you are not using desktop, if you are on phone, you can just download it on Play Store and Apple Store. So go to exchange, and in exchange you can see their trading pairs are USDT, BTC and INR. So let's go to USDT and say type data. Here we go. It is right now 3.15 rupees. As you can see, it's 3.15 rupees is right now. And let me check, it is in okay, it is not in. Okay, cool. So they have already listed this coin in USDT pair only, not in INR and in BTC. Maybe in future they will list it out as per the demand. Basically they have listed so many tokens in INR. You can just see as per demands. If this token demands will get higher and higher, so the WazirX team and Mr. Nishal will definitely consider this thing. So this is the token right now which is trading on 3.15 rupees. So this is all about the project in layman language which I described you guys, and I hope you like the video, and hit the like button if you like the video, subscribe it for more updates and all, and if you're new to channel, subscribe it up, and thank you for watching. Bye bye, peace.